Hey, Scout, you know how Boo Radley's been leaving stuff in the tree for us and we think it's presents?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it's presents. I think it might be bait. You know, he's real weird, like he's gonna bring us into his house and...
Hey, I'm Dill.
Hey, yourself.
I can read.
I'm Scout and this is my brother Gio.
I can read.
Well, Scout's been reading since the day she was born.
I'm 8 going on 9.
You're pretty little for your age.
I'm not. I'm big and I can read.
All right, nice to meet you, Dill.
Hey, where are you from anyway?
I'm from Mississippi. I'm staying here with my Aunt Miss Rachel.
Oh, in the movie they say she's your Aunt Stephanie. Why do they do that?
I don't know. Sounds inaccurate.
It is. Sounds dumb to me. Come on, Dill. Wow. There goes the meanest man that ever lived.
Why is he so mean?
His name's Nathan Radley. First of all, he's got a son named Boo.
He's killing us all.
Don't either of you say anything, Mr. Bose.
All right.
Hi, Mr. Bose! What the heck? Don't you say hi to me, you ugly little girl! Hey, look, Scout. I found a marble.
Think Boo Radley's leaving it?
I don't know. Maybe that's what all this stuff's coming.
Oh my god, that dog's crazy, Atticus.
Yeah, I suppose it is.
Shoot it.
No, I couldn't.
You got the best aim. Do it. Shoot it.
All right, if you say so.
It's dead.
Okay, Tom, could you please stand up?
Yes, Mr. Finch.
All right, can you catch this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you catch it with your left hand?
Yeah.
Tell me what happened, Mayella.
Well, Mr. Finch, Tom Robinson came over to my house because I asked him to help me with something. And he came over and he helped me with the thing. But then Tom ended up... What'd he do again, Daddy?
He raped you. You.
He rapped me.
With an E, honey.
He rap-paid me. And then that was terrible after that. And then, so my daddy came in and he beat me. He helped me. My daddy did not beat me. My daddy does not beat me. My daddy helped me. And then I didn't go to the doctor because I was good. I'm good. I'm doing fine.
It is a believable story.
Yeah, I think he's obviously
Yeah,
guilty.
I'm telling you,
It's a very
guilty.
solid
Same
story.
story.
Everything
Everyone
matches
has
up.
I was so,
Right?
I
So
was so.
he's obviously...
And then when I looked up Atticus, a man was carrying Jem off.
Who carried off Jem?
Well, I'm not sure. Well, he carried Jem off.
Do the creep and do the creep. And if you wanna make friends,
I'll walk you home, Boo.
do the creep.
All right, have fun walking home that strange man.
Thanks, Atticus. I'm probably gonna sleep over. Goodbye, Boo. I love you.
Get up on your feet. It's real easy to do, and it's called the creep. Let your hands flop around like a marionette. Pop your knees up and down, and chicken your neck. Now pull your waistband up like you expecting a flood.
sensitive smile.
And when I looked up at
How hard is this? You probably already realized my incredibly blue eyes.
and then when I looked up at Atticus, a man was